also I will be explaining the live raft launch. What's up guys, welcome back to another day at sea, and today is a really superb day, and we are going to have some drills today, and I'm going to show you how exactly a portable foam applicator works, so stay tuned. First I would like to show you the Mediterranean Sea, and it is looking so beautiful, and we've got mountains over there. You can see these ranges, but have a look at the sky. So awesome. And I will give you a super view from the bridge so that you know how it looks from the windows. Okay guys, cover all is on, and let's go for the muster, and then accordingly. So let's see if I can capture the drill, or maybe I'll have to wear the BA set. So
of fire doors.
guys, we have to take care of the fire doors because they will smash now once the fire alarm is on. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, Vira, he has reported. He's in ECR as per his duty shown with me on the bridge.
We've decided the duties, and it has been assigned, and we have the fire team number 1, Paul and Anil, and Pratyush is helping them in wearing all the BA sets.
Okay, message received. Brian, once you have a BA team ready, just
285 bars.
Okay, that was team number 1. Now we'll go and have a look on team number 2, how their status is. So guys, behind me we have the fire team number 2, and they are donning it from the BA compressor refilling station, and Shetty, he's assisting these two guys, Benedicto and Abhishek. Guys, that's the second team which will do the boundary cooling from these hoses over here. So guys, that is the live test of the water mixer. It's a water mix, right?
I go like this, it will.
So guys, we'll be testing the portable foam applicator, and guys, we are preparing over here. That's the aqueous film forming solution. That's the foam gun.
Okay, the pump is running now.
Pump is running, copy that.
Okay, ready?
Call me back once you get this decent pressure and the hose is charged.
Copy that. So that's the aqueous film forming solution with the pipe connected to the converter. From here we can change the ratio, and that's the foam gun. And now you'll see the water coming through, and then the foam building up. Water coming, okay?
Okay, water here.
Yeah. First is the air. Almost there. The foam forming solution, as you can see the foam, and whenever there's fire we direct it on a bulkhead so that it goes there and settles down bottom, so the foam smothers the fire, you know. So guys, that was the portable foam applicator. We use it when there's an oil fire. So we direct it onto a bulkhead so that the foam generates and it washes and smothers the fire. So it's like that, and you can see the foam compound being generated. And yeah, that's a beautiful Mediterranean weather. This was oil-fired fire, so we had to use this, and that's a test we did with the old expired AFF just for testing. So guys, 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast.
This is abandon ship drill, abandon ship drill, abandon ship drill. Proceed to your respective boats. Thank you.
So guys, we'll be doing the abandoned ship drill now. That's the muster list, and we'll do a tally, and all these guys, they will don the life jackets, and we'll test the lights and everything, and then we go inside the boat to test a few features of it, like the lights and basic explanation of the release mechanism and stuff like that. And also I will be explaining the live raft launching and stuff. So guys, we'll be launching the boat today, and we come to the port side. All of us will be doing it together, and I've explained the life jackets, donning lights and all of that. So you will see something really nice. The chief officer, he explaining the procedure now, and then we do it in real time.
Then there's a hand over here. Am I hearing this one?
Yeah.
You also lower the boat. And the last one, local on the brake.
Okay, that was the 3 launching the things from which we can launch the live boat. And these are some of the boat lashings which we have to remove if we have time, but if we don't have time, it's fine. Okay, that was the lashings of the David which we took off, and now we will release the boat. First we have to keep clear of the Before preparing, we have to put the fall preventer devices, which are like extra safety, onto these hooks, as you can see. So right there you can see the lifeboat is now hanging onto the davits from these wires. I know there is one more there, huh? So the second engineer, he is testing the winner switches now. So guys, that was the live boat launching. We conducted live test, and we also have the life rafts, which can be launched by just unclipping these lashings, securing this painter to a strong point, and then just throwing them. So that's how live rafts are released. And also we have these HRU units, which is known as the hydrostatic release. In case the ship sinks, it has got a particular depth, like 4 meters, then it gets activated, releases the life raft, and then so on. So just open the CO2 release box, and that makes an alarm, which I'll make you listen to. So let's go. I don't know, but I can hear it already. So we have to report this to the chief engineer, so we know that all the cargo hold alarms are working well. So let's go and have a look. I can hear the alarm. I don't know if you can, but that's the CO2 release alarm. And once you hear that, you have to run to the muster station, get out of the cargo hold, leave all your work behind, because CO2 will be released, and that is a silent killer. It releases, it's odorless, you die in a second. What a mess, guys. Now I have to secure all of this, and I have the cadet with me now, so he will help me, but what a mess. So guys, we will now be refilling these empty beer bottles which we used, and that's the compressor we have. So Simon, we can just keep it here. So guys, that is the BA compressor, and we refill it after using it, so that we comply with the 300 bar regulation of the bottle, and it is ready for emergency at all times. So I have with me my dual cadet. He's from Denmark and he's assisting me, and then we secured all of that. So guys, I hope you all liked the video and got some good information, new knowledge and a lot about drills. Do let me know in the comment section what you would like to see more, and I'll cover that in details. And for now, I will be signing off, and hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you back another day at sea.